Hi guys, good morning. So today we are solving a lead code uh, daily question, and it's easy today. It's question number 2996. Smallest missing integer greater than sequential prefix sum. So you are given a zero index array of nums. A prefix nums from 0 to I is sequential if all the 1 less than j is less than I, and nums of j is equal to nums of j minus 1 plus nums of j is equal to nums of j minus 1 plus 1. In particular, the prefix consisting only nums of 0 is sequential. Return the smallest integer x missing from num such that x is greater than or equal to sum of the longest prefix equations, sum of longest sequential prefix. Okay, so a prefix nums of 0 to I where j is less than or equal to I. So it means for every I, every nums of j is always equal to the previous element plus one, right? So for this, the sequence is 1, 2, 3. Return the smallest integer x missing from num such that x is greater than or equal to 7. Okay. Okay, I got the question basically. So for 3, if 3 plus 1 is present, then it's fine, right? This 50, so it's like okay, so yeah, it's like a 50 is easy question, so let me try and brute force it. So in sum is equals to 0, 4 int j is equals to 5, because j is less than j plus plus. If sum two nums of I, then break. That is a simple thing, I guess. So what we are trying to do, we are like for every first element, we are adding a one element and checking whether the next element is present. But why the fuck is 14? So it's okay. Right. Firstly, I think I will say like th for 3, 4 is present, yes. Then like 3 plus 4 is 7. Hmm. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Actually, this is quite confusing. For nums of j minus 1 plus 1. Sum of longest sequential prefix. If nums of I minus 1 plus 1 equal to nums of I, then current sum plus is equals to when then current sum plus equals to nums of I. If current sum is greater than maximum, the maximum is equal to current sum, and my answer is equal to nums of I plus 1. Else my current sum is equal to 0. Bro, I don't like I don't know why this is the question is feeling a bit confusion right now. Because if you see the first test is okay, we got it. Like how we are getting, we thought and we got it. How we are getting six, right? So, so the question says a prefix nums of 0 to I is sequential. It's called sequential. If for every I there consists a j, where nums of j is equal to nums of j minus j minus 1 plus 1. Okay. In a particular, the prefix consisting only nums of 0 is sequential. Okay. Return the smallest integer x missing from the whole array such that x is greater than or equal to sum of longest potential prefix. Right? Like it means the x which are missing must be greater than or equal to the sum of the longest potential sum of them. Okay. We thought like for the first test case it will 1 2 3 like sequential. So uh, try it considering as a just like this. Now if I write max somewhere, then this holy test case first will pass and second will fail. Yep, that's what I'm saying. So like that, the longest sequence prefix of nums is 1 2 3, right? So like okay, the longest prefix of nums is 3 4 5. Got it. That is 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. With a sum of 12. Now they say 12 is present, 13 is present, 14 is present. Okay, okay. So let me say break here. Don't think there is a so around the 12 is there. Okay. Let me create a map. MP of x plus plus while mp dot find not equals to mp dot n so plus plus. Okay, now let me submit and check it. There must be an easy way for bro, what the fuck. Yeah, basically I put it a wrong statement. Bro, like if nums so is also nums so it should be 0. Sometimes lead code made easy questions like a bit complicated, just like this one. So this was made a bit complicated by lead code because his wording is something like which is hard to understand what they're trying to say. But yeah, that is today's lead code question. I will give it a tier of medium if you can say. I don't know what they have done here, but yeah, let's see the let's see the discussions. How easy question is the hard description. Yes, I can agree. One of the worst question one in any concept. So yeah, the problem settle laughing in the corner watching as a easy question in 1 hour. Yeah, because I think the wording of the question is very bad actually. It would be very if we stated longest prefix from the start. Took me 1 hour to understand this question. Yes. Acceptance rate is so slow. Was the worst description. I can't believe we wasted so much time on this. Two things to keep in mind. The sequence start from zero. Okay, yeah. But yeah, we did it in like 15 minutes. So yeah, that's good for our part. But the question, like literally, it's an easy question, but the problem statement is stated very badly and it's very hard to understand for me also. But yeah, that's it for today. Bye guys.